Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
How long have you been here, sir?
I came here in September 1965, and then I was little indisposed in May 1967, I think. Then I went back to India. Then again I came back in December 1967. Just 1 year passed.
Yes, I see.
Yes.
Why did you come here? Yes.
Because I want to give this culture to the world, and my idea is that America is advanced country. If they accept it, then it will be possible to broadcast the idea throughout the whole world. That is my idea. But I am hopeful now, because these educated young Americans, they are taking serious interest to this movement. And we are publishing papers, books, and they are writing very nicely. So I am an old man, I may die, but I have implanted the idea. It will go on. It will go. And they will be accepted. That experiment is done. If it is nicely propagated, then it will be accepted without any fear. And these boys who have come to me, they are taken seriously. So I am hopeful.
I saw your magazines, beautiful magazine.
Back to Godhead.
Oh, beautiful.
Thank you. Thank you.
Beautiful thing. Where is that done?
It is published in New York.
In New York?
Yes.
Yeah. I saw the latest issue. Beautiful. How many people are in the movement? Approximately.
I've got about a little more than 100 disciples who are strictly following my regulated things.
100?
Yes.
Yeah.
In different branches. I've got about 13 branches. Some of the disciples were working in London.
In London?
Yes, they're doing very nice.
Oh, yeah.
They're all married couples. I got them married. Yes, I got them married. The young boys, all within 30. My oldest disciple is 28, otherwise 25, 24, at most 30. And similarly, girls, you have seen this girl, you see. So I get them, make them happy, marriage life. Their mentality is now, they are not after so-called popped-up life. They can live very simply, with least demand of bodily necessities, but thinking very high from Krishna consciousness. So I am very hopeful that even I die, because I am an old man, 73 years old, I may die at any moment, but I am now assured my movement will go on, these boys will carry. That my mission is, in that way, is successful. I came here with this idea, that this Krishna consciousness movement should be started for America. Because anything accepted by America, people follow. Because America is considered to be this. Now actually, America is not a poverty-stricken country. So, they can very easily understand, they can take it. And there are many confused youths.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare